See, in Suzuki Swish 125, that is 2015 model, that is old Access also, old Suzuki Access model also known as old Access, Suzuki Access. What was happening is the brake drum was okay, rear brake drum was okay, and I had changed the cam, brake shoes also many times. Every time I'm changing the brake shoes, the shoes are not worn off, they are fine, but still the cable, brake cable is tightened to the maximum. So cam was changed, brake cable was changed, cable was changed twice. Then drum was okay, there is no cut or any this thing. That sleeve in the brake drum is fine. Okay, so brake drum was okay, brake shoes changed, cable changed, cam changed, but still it is not tightening. So finally what I did was, this is where it was fitting originally. This cam was fitting here. That means this arm, it was going, this red thing was going here, was matching here. Okay, so to tighten it further, I cut groove, leaving two teeth. After two teeth, one new one I have cut, this elongated line which is extending till here, that I have cut, so that when this is fit, earlier if it was fitting like this, it will fit like this. So I have more room for adjusting the cable here. This cable can be tightened more. So this one, earlier it was fitting like this, now it will go like this. That means this will come back. There is more room for the brakes to be applied. That looks like the only solution. If there is any problem, I'll update. Don't know, it is a very low quality parts vehicle. These kind of problems you will never face in Honda, Activa and all, Jupiter, all those things, Hero. In Suzuki, this kind of problems come every 1000 kilometer. Carburetor issue, now with E20 fuel, it's giving more problem. Okay, so how I cut was, this kind of 775 motor attachment comes to put this kind of discs and all. So that one I attached to a 12 volt lithium ion battery, rechargeable, and then carefully using light started cutting from here, and then this disc slowly brought it back till here, so that one teeth goes away. One teeth is completely taken away, this red marked one, you can see here. This is the original one. Now I have made one more with the offset. This looks like the only solution. So there is two teeth, which is okay. Functionality wise it should be okay. Now the old brake will be applied, and hopefully it will work. Adding that cam, as I told that this is the default slot. So I had left two teeth. Now this is a new pack I got. For the old one I installed. For keeping it spare, I got a new one. This marking is there. That is a default missing teeth, which goes into the cam lever for normal brake adjustment. So what finally worked was cutting the teeth which is just above it. Earlier I had cut teeth after leaving two, that means the third one here, and that made the brakes unfittable. Then I cut the next one, still didn't work. Then finally the teeth which is just next to this, just above this, like this, like this. The teeth which is above this green mark. Here you can see one missing teeth is there. The teeth which is above this has to be cut, both sides, because when you put it like this and when you cut the teeth, it will become like this. The installation will be like this, so it will move like this and brake will be tighter. So you are offsetting the brake in the beginning itself. So for this thing, now it is working fine. For 2 days vehicle is on fine, braking is working properly. The teeth which is above this has to be put. I don't know why this issue came with this vehicle. I have changed the cable twice, brake shoes many times, even cam I changed, thinking the cam had worn off from the edges and all. But the solution which finally worked was cutting this teeth which is above this and installing in that slot. So while putting it, you can either mark the thing on both the lever, the wear indicator and this one, and then put it properly, or you can put the lever in the first available place which goes in, remove it, and the second available place which goes in will be your required thing. If you cut the teeth which is after leaving one more teeth here, then it will not fit. So that was the adjustment needed for Swish 125 or old Access model 125 brake getting loose. The drums, inner drum, brake drum does not seem to be bad.